Endurance exercises such as running have long been associated with promoting vitality and better aging effects, historically and universally contributing to physical, mental, and energy well-being. Subsequently, reputable sources recognize that even running between 5 to 15 minutes a day at slow speeds under 6 miles per hour may help maintain optimal well-being for a healthy individual. Furthermore, running is an endurance performance associated with several life-bettering effects. It is a form of locomotion that allows humans and animals to move swiftly by taking rapid steps. Running is a natural activity that requires the coordination of various muscles, joints, and limbs to propel the body forward. In classical sciences, the holistic run is a multidimensional activity, dimensions in the realm of energy and its transformations, which engages several aspects of an individual, including potential, kinetic, thermal, and chemical energy. Based on this premise, running is not just a physical action, as the emphasis on complete alignment and coordination of the physical, mental, and energy aspects involves the cooperation of the complete individual. When an individual engages in running, there is a moment during each stride when both feet are off the ground. This occurs because of the propulsion generated by the push-off from one foot and the forward momentum of the body. As a result, the individual experiences a brief moment of being airborne, even if it is only for a fraction of a second, before the next foot makes contact with the ground. It also acts as a source of inspiration on the psychological level and in terms of the human spirit. And most importantly, the source of inspiration is oneself to nature, making it an organic and holistic experience. This is partially due to the freedom-giving action of this movement, and essentially the experience of the sensation of weightlessness or floating, a result of equilibrium between gravitational force and other forces acting on the body. However, the holistic run in classical sciences clearly distinguishes from the fine line between pushing a particular limit to the negative as opposed to optimizing and applying better methods based on individual suitability and health status. The holistic run engages the progressive transitional phase, referring to a period of change or development characterized by gradual advancements or shifts. In terms of the effects of running or exercise, there are several. For example, Carapedo and Aguayo Mazzucato, 2021, examined the effects of exercise on cellular and tissue aging, demonstrating its potential as a lifestyle intervention with anti-aging benefits. Additionally, running is also recognized as a metabolic and an endurance exercise. Cellular senescence is a key factor in aging and is linked to various age-related changes. For instance, according to Carapeto and Aguayo Mazzucato, 2021, exercise has been shown to positively impact senescence, which refers to the biological process of aging, during which the division of cells slow down and may become dysfunctional. They further suggest that physical exercise may impact this by enhancing telomere length, which are protective caps on the ends of chromosomes, which shorten each time a cell divides. Shorter telomeres are associated with aging and age-related changes. Chromosomes are sort of storage banks in cells. They store the genetic information of an organism in the form of DNA. This genetic information is essential for the cell's functioning and is passed on to new cells during cell division. Additionally, exercise plays a role in mitigating other hallmarks of aging, such as stem cell, a sort of repair cell exhaustion, and altered intercellular communication. It promotes stem cell migration and differentiation and helps regulate inflammatory responses. Regenerative inflammation is a controlled, beneficial inflammatory response that occurs during tissue regeneration and repair. Classical sciences also suggest that knowing the difference between levels, purpose, and comprehensive regimes are integral to a successful holistic run. For example, professional athletes have specific and different needs compared to a non-athlete. Their body composition and needs may differ significantly from that of an active runner. An active runner may engage in around 2.5 to 6 hours a week of endurance, variable, Camper and Corratella, 2021, discussed the significance of distinguishing between athletes and non-athletes, suggesting that an exerciser engages in over 2.5 hours a week of physical activity with the primary aim to maintain health and fitness status. Therefore, during, post-exercise regimes involving preparation, form, hydration, diet, and recovery better align with the level of an individual's need. Regarding running, metabolic rate is crucial in determining how efficiently the body can generate power. Metabolic rate refers to the rate at which the body uses energy and burns calories. It influences calorie burn, endurance, and overall performance. Metabolic processes are interlinked with the body's quality of hydration. Correct hydration acts as a sort of lubricant. Improper hydration, when experienced at moderate to severe levels, it degrades exercise performance and may lead to dehydration-related issues such as low serum sodium concentration. Armstrong, 2021. Endurance exercises cause the body to expend moisture through sweat. The subsequent effect on hydration levels can impact the body's performance during these types of exercises. Decreased hydration levels due to water expenditure through sweat can contribute to temporary constriction and contraction of muscle tissues and joints. This may impact flexibility, mobility, and overall physical performance during and immediately after exercise. Also, intracellular water is inside cells, while extracellular water is outside cells. Hydration is critical in maintaining the balance between these two compartments, influencing overall bodily function. Adequate hydration supports healthy intracellular and extracellular water levels, which can impact muscle function and mass. When properly hydrated, muscles can function optimally, aiding in muscle growth and overall muscle quality. Hydrating 2 to 3 hours prior to exercise can be helpful. Another important point is that the quality of hydration matters, and in terms of holistic fitness, pure natural water or an organic electrolyte drink is preferred. Water, like food, is distributed through the circulatory system and thereby reaches each and every part of our body. Furthering this, a study by Chevron, S.N., and Kenefic, R.W., 2022, suggests the characterization of sweat losses, sweat rate, and required drinking among runners in their study indicate wide individual variability that warrants personalized hydration practices, particularly when running is prolonged, more than 60 minutes, and performance is important. This is different from a one-size-fits-all principle and nearer to the approach of classical or holistic methods of accounting for the individual. The appropriate amount of exercise varies for each individual due to their uniqueness. However, for a healthy individual, as a starting point according to O'Keefe, Torres Acosta, O'Keefe, and Lavie, 2020, 2.5 to 5 hours a week of moderate or vigorous physical activity may confer maximal benefits. For example, 2.5 hours a week may translate to intermittent days of purposeful exercise. However, the amount, type, and length of exercise will be based on individual suitability, health status, and alignment of personal aim. Therefore, this will differ for everyone and may change with time as endurance becomes more impactful and efficient. It's important to remember that each phase of life offers unique physical capacities and experiences, and purposeful and methodical exercise becomes increasingly beneficial as time goes on. Embracing each stage of one's life and working with the body rather than against it allows for a holistic and new experience. Additionally, helpful domestic tools such as weighing scales or a bioelectrical impedance analysis scale may offer useful indicators based on individual suitability of use. Overall physical activity, when performed in a methodical and systematic way, confers an individual with physical, mental, and energy-bettering effects. Running positively influences the body's redox balance by enhancing antioxidant defense mechanisms, reducing oxidative stress, and promoting overall well-being. Redox balance, short for reduction-oxidation balance, refers to the equilibrium between oxidation and reduction reactions in the body. Regular running has been shown to enhance the body's antioxidant defense system, which includes enzymes like superoxide dismutase, catalase, and glutathione peroxidase. These enzymes help neutralize ROS and maintain redox balance within the body. Additionally, running and endurance activity promotes the production of endogenous antioxidants, such as glutathione, which may help regenerate dietary antioxidants such as vitamin C and E, making them more bioavailable once consumed, further contributing to the body's defense against oxidative stress. These mechanisms work together to support redox balance. Redox balance plays a vital role in maintaining cellular function and protecting against oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between the production of reactive oxygen species, ROS, and the body's ability to detoxify them or repair the resulting damage. Lastly, according to Redox et al. 2020, regular exercise rejuvenates aging skeletal muscle partly because it may stimulate SIRT1. Sirtuin-1 is a protein involved in various cellular processes, including DNA repair, inflammation, metabolism, and stress resistance. It is associated with regulating the aging process and supporting longevity. Several studies help understand that the holistic approach to running encapsulates more than just a physical activity. A therapeutic and nutritious diet is also an essential factor in optimizing holistic performance. Also, as added perspective, cardiac overuse has been observed in ultra-endurance athletes, which involves changes in the heart due to intense physical training, however, as some studies suggest this can be a normal response to athletic training, i.e., under professional athletic capacity and conditions. A holistic run works with pushing progressive transitional limits methodically, depending on suitability and individual health status.